kindergartners. It's Monday, May 4th already. I can't believe it. Had a good weekend. I hope you did too. It's probably a wonderful time. The weather was so warm. It felt like summer all weekend. I'm going to go quickly through the part that we're skipping. Normally we would finish this packet, but we kind of need to get on our last week starting today. So you don't have to do these, but I just want to go over them in case you want to do them later, which would be after we're out of school. And we don't have to do any more packets because we just have one more packet. And so I crossed this off just so we could fit our one packet in next week. You finish sentences. First letter needs to be capitalized. Last at the end, you need a period. That's the last thing you do on your sentence. We've got addition. The one thing I did want to show you is there's kind of a cool project on the end. This is a reading for information one called the Bee, and you're going to be asking your question and reading for information about where was the bee. It will tell you in there, where is the bee? And where did the kid go? I bet that's pretty cool. This is the one I really wanted to show you. Guys, this is a tens caterpillar. You can start with the head. You cut them all out, and then you glue the head together. If you don't have glue, you could use tape or ask your family if you have a stapler. But then you're going to glue the 10 onto the head. So it would be the head, then 10, 20, 30, and you guys know how to do that. So that will end that. Do that when you have a chance, not this week, but I do want to get started on week 7. You guys have 2 centers to do all week long, and the first one is the very hungry caterpillar. You guys are going to find, there's the word right there, C-A-K-E, ache. The E tells that A to say its name. So A is going to do the talking. He's going to say his name. And you're going to match up that caterpillar with, of course, the cake. And there's a whole bunch of words to do there. I think all of these, yes, all of these have an bossy E on the end. That's such a first grade thing. And then there's Baby Chick Edition. This one, you're going to find out, you just cut out the squares. You don't cut out these little numbers on the bottom. They're going to stay there to try to trick you, but they won't be able to do it. So if we have 5 plus 3, 5 and 3 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer would be 8 right there. What you do is you make the cards and then you point to it. I ask the parents or the family members, maybe I've got some aunts working with their kids or some cousins, to put a little star on the back. If you pinch the 8 and flip it over, you'll be able to see the star, and it's a self-checking game then when you put the star on the back side of the 8. That's a good way to do it. Then you don't have to have anyone check your answers. It's just a real quick way to do it. You've got sight words this week, but I would really prefer if you took this one out and put in your real sight words from school, the brightly colored ones, because they're good. They're awesome. And let's see, all week long you're going to be using these picture cards. Let me get back to telling you what we're doing today. So those were the centers, and you'll do this at one time every day this week. The first story that you're going to read or listen to on YouTube is called The Doorbell Rang. Great story. Talking about adding and then subtracting. And it has cookies in it, so you know it's a good story. Your sight words, you're going to review those, just flashcard review, and try to find the brightly colored ones from school. You're going to watch word families, the ought family. You're going to practice the words for the picture card. And that's this one. And guys, there's a lot of Chauncey Chipmunk, right? We're going to have chin, chop, chips, inch. Oh, that one is on the end. Inch. And then bench on the end again. Lunch. Oh my goodness, lots of and then all these have the E, bossy E on the end. So don't forget, guys, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are all going to have an E on the end. all of them. So we have home, home, not house, it's going to be home, cave, cone, cube, vase, and desk. Oh, no, that's not desk, that's hide. Sorry, I just looked at the desk real fast. So that one is hide. Make sure you write H, I, D, and then last name, don't forget. You will write those on here for today's assignment. You'll be on there. And go back and look and see what's after those words. You will watch Sabotage Rock. And then I crossed out reading or counting to 120 and writing the number, so don't worry about that. I also crossed out the journal page. The activity is roll 2 dice and add. You guys know how to do that. Do 6 of them. Just roll 2 dice and add them together, just 6 of them. And then your printable today is the watermelon numbers, which you guys have done this one before, one like this. It starts with a 21. What comes after 21? Let's see, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, and we know we got it right because that one is 24. And then down here, you're going to start with 21, 22, 23. So it'll be a fun one for you to do. And I think that is it for today, for day 1. Let me go back and make sure. There's so much on the first day because we have the centers. All week long, play that game, Baby Chick Edition, yay. And then all week long, play Very Hungry Caterpillars. Matching up the words with the picture. And I think you guys are doing awesome. I can't wait to see you guys and hear you tomorrow. Well, it'll be your today on Monday at Zoom. Don't forget we have a 10 o'clock, a 6 o'clock on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I miss you guys. I ran over to the school to print off some things for you. And I think I didn't get your thing I was mailing to you in because the labels weren't ready yet. So hopefully the office will get those mailed for me tomorrow. So it'll probably be Wednesday or Thursday before you find something special in the mail. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will be Monday, and we'll have a good time talking. Take care, guys.